हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शुभी। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो नेशनल पार्क्स की सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए आज डिस्कस करेंगे कर्नाटका के नेशनल पार्क्स। इसके पहले वाली स्टेट्स के नेशनल पार्क्स की वीडियोस आप इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट नेशनल पार्क्स ऑफ इंडिया पर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर विद द मैप ऑफ कर्नाटका। सो इन कर्नाटका देयर आर टोटल 5 नेशनल पार्क्स। दीज आर अंशी नेशनल पार्क, कुद्रेमुख नेशनल पार्क, राजीव गांधी और नागरहोल नेशनल पार्क। Fourth one, Bandipur National Park, and fifth, Banerghatta National Park. So now we'll discuss them one by one in depth. So starting with the Bandipur National Park. First of all, its location. This national park is located in the Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka. Right? Now coming to its important facts. This national park was established as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger in 1973. सो बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क को एज अ टाइगर रिजर्व स्टैब्लिश किया गया था अंडर प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर इन 1973. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज पार्ट ऑफ नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. राइट, सो नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व का पार्ट है बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क. एंड नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व अलॉन्ग विद बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क ऑल्सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स राजीव गांधी नेशनल पार्क और नागरहोल नेशनल पार्क ऑफ कर्नाटका, मुदुमलाई नेशनल पार्क ऑफ तमिलनाडु एंड वेयनाड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ऑफ केरला. Right? We can also say that Bandipur National Park shares its boundaries with these three. Right? Now coming to the next point. This point is also important. Bandipur National Park is the largest national park in Karnataka. So Karnataka ka largest national park is Bandipur National Park. Now the next point. This national park hosts second highest tiger population in India. तो इंडिया में सेकेंड हाईएस्ट टाइगर पॉपुलेशन देखने को मिलती है इन बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क एंड द हाईएस्ट टाइगर पॉपुलेशन इज इन जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क ऑफ उत्तराखंड. राइट, so these were the important facts associated with the Bandipur National Park. Now we will discuss the associated rivers and the flora and fauna of this national park. Coming to the associated rivers of Bandipur National Park. So Bandipur National Park is flanked by Kabini River in the north and Moyar River in the south. Now this Kabini River is a tributary of Kaveri River, and Kabini River flows between Bandipur National Park and Rajiv Gandhi or Nagarhole National Park of Karnataka. Or we can say Kabini River separates Bandipur National Park and Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Second, Moyar River, it is the tributary of Bhavani River, and Bhavani River in itself is a tributary of Kaveri River. Right? And Moyar River flows between Bandipur National Park of Karnataka and Mudumalai National Park of Tamil Nadu. Right? So these were the associated rivers. Coming to flora and fauna. In flora there are dry and moist deciduous forests, and major flora is timber trees. We see wide range of timber trees like teak, rosewood, sandalwood, etc. And in fauna, as we have already discussed, Bandipur National Park hosts second highest tiger population in India. So Bengal tigers is the important fauna here. Others are Asian elephant, sloth bear, Indian leopard, four-horned antelope, gaur, spotted deer, sambar deer, right? And some commonly spotted birds are blue peafowl and vultures, etc. Right? So this was all about the Bandipur National Park. Next is Anshi National Park. First of all, its location. This national park is situated in Western Ghats region of Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. Right? So Western Ghats region, Uttara Kannada district. Now coming to its important facts, this national park was established in the year 1987, and Anshi National Park and Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary were given the Project Tiger status, and together they were declared Anshi Dandeli Tiger Reserve, and later they were renamed as Kali Tiger Reserve after the Kali River which flows through this national park. Right? Next point is the associated river. So as we have already discussed, Kali River flows through this national park. Right? Now coming to the flora and fauna. So in flora there are montane rainforests and moist deciduous forests. Right? And in fauna we see black panthers, elephants, tigers, Indian bison, sloth bear, wild boar, barking deer, sambar deer, spotted deer, mouse deer, slender loris, jungle cat, etc. Right? So this was all about the Anshi National Park. Next is Banerghatta National Park. This national park is located few kilometers south of Bangalore in the hills of Anekal range. Right? Now coming to its important facts. It was declared as national park in the year 1974. Next point is Banerghatta National Park is the smallest national park in Karnataka. Right? So the largest national park of Karnataka is Bandipur National Park, and the smallest national park of Karnataka is Banerghatta National Park. Do remember these points. Next point is that this national park is part of wildlife corridor for elephants which connects Biligiri Rangana Hills and Satyamangalam Forest, right? So Banerghatta National Park serves as a corridor for elephants and this connects Biligiri Rangana Hills and Satyamangalam Forest. Okay. Next point is that in year 2002, a small portion of this national park was declared as Banerghatta Biological Park. And in year 2006, India's first butterfly enclosure, or we can say butterfly park, was established in the Banerghatta National Park, right? So all these are the important facts associated with this national park. Next, coming to the associated river. So Swarnamukhi stream runs through this national park, okay? Swarnamukhi stream. Now coming to the flora and fauna. In flora, there are southern tropical dry deciduous forests, southern tropical moist mixed forests. And some main flora is neem, sandalwood, tamarind, bamboo, etc. Okay. Coming to the fauna, in fauna there are tigers, Asian elephants, Indian goat, leopard, wild dog, sloth bear, sambar deer, spotted deer, slender loris, mongoose, pangolin, etc. Right. So this is all about the Banerghatta National Park. Okay. So fourth one is Kudremukh National Park. First of all, its location. This national park is located at the tri-junction of Chikmagalur, Dakshin Kannada and Udupi districts, right? So ये national park 3 districts के tri-junction पे located है. These are Chikmagalur, Dakshin Kannada and Udupi. Now coming to its important facts, this national park was established in the year 1987. Next point is that Kudremukh is a mountain range and Kudremukh literally means horse faced in Kannada. So Kudre means horse and Mukh means faced, right? So Kudremukh means horse faced. Next, Kudremukh is the second highest peak after Mullayanagiri in Karnataka. So Karnataka की second highest peak है Kudremukh after Mullayanagiri. Next, Kudremukh National Park में some famous waterfalls are found. These are Hanumanagundi and Kadambi Falls, right? Next, we see the associated rivers. So in here, Tunga, Bhadra and Netravati rivers flows through this national park, right? And some other points are that Tunga and Bhadra forms Tungabhadra river and Tungabhadra is a tributary of Krishna river, right? Now coming to the flora and fauna of this national park. So in flora, there are evergreen and semi-evergreen forests dominated by rosewood, teak, eucalyptus, silver oak, acacia, etc. Right? And fauna में यहाँ मिलते हैं leopards, Malabar civets, wild dogs, sloth bears, lion-tailed macaques, sambar deer, spotted deer, barking deer, etc. Okay. So this is all about the Kudremukh National Park. Now coming to the fifth and the last national park, that is Rajiv Gandhi or Nagarhole National Park. This national park is located in the Kodagu and Mysore district of Karnataka. Right. Now coming to its important facts, this national park was established in the year 1988 and this national park is also a tiger reserve. Next point is that Rajiv Gandhi National Park or Nagarhole National Park is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This point we have also discussed in Bandipur National Park, right? Next is the associated river. Now this point was also discussed earlier. Kabini River, which is the tributary of Kaveri River, flows between Bandipur and Nagarhole National Park. Or we can say that Kabini River separates Bandipur and Nagarhole National Park, right? Now coming to the flora and fauna. In flora, there are moist deciduous forests and some main trees are teak, sandalwood, rosewood, silver oak, etc. And in fauna, there are Bengal tigers, Indian leopards, Indian jackal, wild dog, sloth bear, Indian elephant, four-horned antelope, wild boar, jungle cat and deer species like cheetal deer, barking deer, sambar deer, etc. Right? So this was all about the Rajiv Gandhi or Nagarhole National Park. And with this, we come to the end of this video. We have discussed all 5 national parks of Karnataka. I hope आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगी होगी. इसी तरह से हम बाकी स्टेट्स के नेशनल पार्क्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे. So do subscribe to the channel. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you so much.